Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, today it came a green day here. The market is pushed up against what all of us we've been accepted, guys. It's showing us we are wrong. And that's a part of trading, guys. When we making mistakes, we say that. And us till now, we couldn't break that level here. That one here. So till now there is no power to break that level here. Maybe next week, but till now us we stay in here and we're going to see tomorrow what's going to come. Either we're going to break it here and we're going to go higher, or from here we're going to fall down again. And here on the last Friday, guys, people they've been with us for some time. Also we tell you we got two levels. We got that one at 15k and that one here at 17k. Till now the week it's near to end up, guys, and the Bitcoin doesn't break that level here and doesn't break that one down here. So also we staying sideways here. That's what those people they doing. So maybe that the end of the week, maybe we're going to come here, or maybe we're going to drop again. Till now there is nothing new here in the daily, guys. Everything still look the same and the market still looking very flat. Nothing was changed. And here also we said it, guys, before. We said here in the daily we got that inside bar, that one here of the collapse of FTX. Till now there is no candle breaking upward here and no candle breaking downward here. So there is nothing new, guys. By the way, before even we continue, yes you, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Because, guys, every day we put in for you two videos. Every day, two videos. One after European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the market doing right now. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So as we said, guys, here there is nothing new here in the daily. I got for you some news. Let's go into analyze it for you, the coming news for tomorrow. So it's going there. So guys, as you see here, that the news we got, that the news which is coming tomorrow. We got a lot of news. Those ones here for UK, us here we are not trading the forex, and we got that one, that non-farm employment change. That one is a huge impact, but till now the Fed it's still focused only about inflation, and I told you all those things. Then at 1:30 we got people they losing the jobs of them. They went to claim or initial jobless claim. Plus here crude oil inventory. That one not something special, guys, here. And here we got that friend of us, that table of us we see it every day. What it's telling us, guys, here, as you see the Dow Jones here, the SP 500 and the Nasdaq today, everything is green because the Fed we are going there. And our friend here, that one also we see it every day. It's the VIX. It's still above 20. Is it 22.01? So the scarcity is still too high in the market. And the Fed is still very high in the market. It's not yet, guys. It's not yet. You need to wait and more. Dollar index here, still in his place. Nothing was changed. Now let's go to see why the market is moved today. So let's go in there to see it. That's what the Fed today said, guys. As you see it. By the way, people in my Telegram channel show it to them when it just happening. But here, let's explain it a little bit. The Fed, they voted and today they agree the interest rate it shouldn't be cut in 2023 because they are still scared from inflation, guys. They said if they start cutting now, the inflation is going to go back very high. That's why they try to do now. They try to slow but not to cut. And even here, as you see all those things, I show it to you. As you see them here, they want to see the inflation going down. And I told you they are focused now about inflation because inflation is like stable now. They need to see it falling down. That means it's more pain to the market, guys. That's what the Fed saying here. That's why I told you it's not yet. I think everything is too clear, guys. Now it's going back to the chart to analyze for you those things. So it's going there. Here we are, guys. So here in the daily, we don't have nothing new. Let's go in now to see our indicator, what it's saying, guys, for picture to be more clear to you. So it's going there. Our indicator, guys, as you see it from here, now it's going back to touch that level here, or the downtrend also we've been following from 2021. Let's hope it's going to break it. That's just a hope, guys. Maybe it's going to break here, or another scenario maybe from here is going to fall down again. So even that one, it's possible. So also we don't care. Also we enter from here. People they been with us, we enter from here and here. When it touch here that last peak, we close our investment we close what it equal our investment, because if you buy from here $100 and from down here $100, over here we sold what it equal $200 to free our cash. Now we still have some Bitcoin. If it go up, fair enough. If it fall down here, we got the capital to buy more, guys. That's how professional people they trade, not like how majority they tell you. And here, guys, also now we enter in that level here where no one is controlling now, no bulls, no bears. We need to wait in tomorrow news what it's going to do. I think everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, also we enter short from here to here and here. And here in the last video, watch me, I told you. You can find it still in the channel. I told you like that. We got here a flag like that. And I told you it need to break either up for you to enter long or to break down here for you to enter short. I'm talking here about swing trading. Till now, there is no break either up here or downward here. Bitcoin, he couldn't even break that level here as you see it. He came to here and it's showing a very, very, very powerful pin bar there. Now let's wait and see what's going to happen. Either from here is going to fall down again or it's going to stay sideways here. Till now also we staying here in the range of that channel here. So nothing was new, guys. Yes, before it gave us here that head and shoulder here, and when it came and breaking here the neckline just for 30 minutes, it came up till here now. But now, guys, there is nothing new here. Also we staying sideways here. That way I told you it's not yet. We need to wait in a little bit to break up or to go down to break down here. Till now there is nothing new, guys. Also we still waiting what's going to happen. If it's breaking here, we are going to enter long the take profit of that one. We will put it like that. It's going to be here exactly in that place here. But that if it's breaking here, if it doesn't, there is no entry yet, guys. Also we staying sideways here. That's what me have been telling you. It's going now to see our indicators what the same for picture to be more clear to you guys. So it's going there. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it changed from down here, from oversold to the place where is the bulls they controlling, from the place where is the bears they controlling to the place where is the bulls they controlling. Now let's see if is it from here is going to go here to the overbought area, because now here in the 4 hours is the bulls who controlling, guys. In the daily it's not yet. Here in the 4 hours the bulls who controlling now. In 30 minutes, the same thing. In the daily, it's not yet. That way you see that flat market, because it's need all the time frames to be in the same direction, because now in 4 hours and 30 minutes, you are in an uptrend. But in the daily, you are in a flat market. That way you don't see the market, it's moving that much. So let's waiting what's going to happen. Till now, also we stay waiting what's going to happen, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. And people they being with me, I show you here. We got here a hidden divergence here. Let me show it to you. People will be in with me. I show you we used to have here a hidden divergence, guys, like that and like that. Yes or no? And what me I told you here about that 2 levels here. I told you for you to enter short, it's need that one to come down and to break down here. It doesn't. Actually, it came at breaking upward here. So till now, there is nothing new, guys, here. Nothing new here. You can even draw here. You got here a divergence now like that, guys. But it's not that clear. You need to wait in a little bit what's going to happen here. So now, guys, what should you do here? Nothing. You just need to wait in a little bit, either to touch here the overbought area or from here to fall down again. Also, we don't care what's going to happen. And me, I'll show you everything, guys. Also, we enter short. I'll show you where to close if the short position need to be closed and where to open a buy. Everything I showed to you in the previous videos. So you can just follow our analysis, guys. Now it's going to see our indicator, what it's saying. So it's going there. That one here, guys, as you see it, it's being here at the oversold area. Price action, yes, it used to be here, that small head and shoulder. But that one is very small if you want to enter just from here to here. That just for scalping. Me, I want for swing trading, guys. Swing trading, there is no price action yet. Only price action is that one here, that channel here. Till now, it doesn't being broken here. So there is no entry yet, guys. We need to wait in a little bit what's going to happen here. If we are going to break here, we're going to enter long till here, till that zone here. If it's not us, we are not going to enter. Till now, us we stay in waiting here what's going to happen. I think picture is too clear, guys. And now what's happening here? You enter here to the overbought area. Price action, you don't have no price action here. Actually, you can make like that, up channel like that. If it's breaking here, but that one is going to be 30 minutes. Here in the 4 hours, there is no price action, guys. You need to wait in a little bit what's going to happen. I think everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity for today. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, same thing. As I show you that in the 4 hours, we got here a up channel like that. As you see it here. Now for you to enter short, it's need that one to come and to break down here for you to enter short here in 30 minutes. Or the market to give you here, as you see it, a head and shoulder to break downward here. That one me have been waited all the whole day because me, people they been with me are enter a short here, because we used to have here the double top like that, and we used to have here a wage like that. When it's breaking here, I enter short, scalping here, I close some of the profit, I put the stop loss upward here in that place, then it went up, it hitting the stop loss. Yes, me I closed some of the profit, so haven't lose nothing. Then when it came the news, it showed me here like I got here like a double top. I've been waiting the neckline here to be broken, but it couldn't break it here. So till now there is no entry short. Now what I'm waiting here to give me here a head and shoulder like that. If it give it to me, I'm going to enter short again, guys, because me that's what me I do, that's my job. I'm waiting the opportunity when it came. Don't miss it. It's our indicators, guys, what they're saying. So let's go in there. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's enter here to the overbought area. So we need to look in for a short, but we need a price action. Tell now there is no price action there, indicating for us also we need to enter short. So we need to wait more, guys, here till the break happening here. It's need the break to happen here in that zone here, because that zone is very, very stronger level, guys, as you see it. And here the Bitcoin is trying to give you here high, low, high, low. So let's hope, or let's wait in if it's going to break down and or it's going to break higher, guys. I think everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. See you after European market close. Bye for now, guys.